Hi everyone, I'm Shivani. Today I'm going to discuss topic about flowchart techniques and this is chapter 4. So contents. Your flowchart techniques we have 5 tips for flowchart that are use consistent design elements, keep everything on one page, flow data from left to right, use a split path instead of a traditional decision symbol, place written lines under the flowchart diagram. And first is flowchart technique. So here when you are designing and creating a flowchart, keep it in mind that diagram needs to be easy to understand, and by using these 5 steps we can and allow you to make flowcharts that are easier to read, understand and use. So the first one, here we have shapes, lines and text within a flowchart diagram should be consistent. And here we have example that it shows the consistency, how this consistency is applied to it. So we have start and end shapes which are oval shape, and all remaining all are rectangular shape. So here each shape is same size, has a spacing between them, and they have same outline and are aligned uniformly. And using this consistency, it eliminates unnecessary distraction and makes the data flow or workflow very easy to follow. And here sometimes this colors, it is very helpful in making process steps clearer. Like certain types of process like such as decisions, they might be shown in the different color, as might steps that require the user to return to an earlier step. And spacing and also these all should be consistent. And also most drawing programs, they require you to do this manually, like which can be time consuming. Or if you're looking at like particular software, be sure to look for something with automated diagramming and formatting built in. So we can see here example, design a postcard. So design a postcard, and from that it is the design based. It is design based on a template, and if yes, then it will select that design template. If no, then it will go to the draft, like practice based. Next, second point, which is keep everything on one page. It is good practice to make sure that the flowchart fits in a single page, and the text which is there, it remains readable. So when a diagram becomes too large to fit in one page, uh, it's like we can divide it into multiple charts and connect them with hyperlinks. It is the easy way. So to keep your flowchart in one page, you can try these solutions which will help you out. So first one is, if it's just like slightly too big, then try scaling it down. Like if your font you're using it will be like scale. For example, if you're using 10 point font and the scale diagram is 60%, it's like original size, then your font now it will be 6 point in that way. And next, b is depending on the number of steps. From if you can also have your chat flow from left to right, uh, like see, start it from left and end to right. So steps goes in that way, left to right. So third point is, it's below flow data from left to right, same diagram we can say. So here from left to right makes the information easier to read. Next, fourth point is use a split path instead of a traditional decision symbol. uh, traditional uh, Traditional flowcharts, they use diamond symbol. As we know, decision symbol, it uses diamond shape. So here we have 3 problems with that is, first, decision symbol, it introduced 2 directions of flow, like breaking the first two left right rule and making flowchart more difficult to follow. And another is, most users, they do not understand various symbols. uh, so the introduction of a diamond shape is distracting for them. And also they are not familiar with the convocational symbols, like that they will use randomly about it, and they will confuse with them. So for this we have that this use of the split path, what it will do is it will just eliminates all three problems. It will eliminate it continues the left to right process flow, and it's easy to see and understand without explanation. So here example we can see, which shows the same process that we used for split path, and but it versus like split path versus traditional decision symbol. So we can see, uh, design a postcard, same the symbol, the example which we used for split path. And in this uh, we are just comparing it. So this is a decision symbol which we have used. And next, fifth one, place written lines under the flow diagram. Here, like read the text from the top of the page down. Like we will read the text from top of the page to down. So it is logical that it written lines should be placed under the flow chart uh, rather than above. So we will place these lines which are there from like right to left or left to right. They should be uh, below flowchart, not above. So and also these written lines, they should not be overlap. So in that way we have to do. So for that purpose we can use this split. Mm. So here is the example. Start, and we will end with the end. Okay, end of the chapter 4. Thank you.